Where's that hecking on button? Oh, I found it! Let's play!
Hello, it's Luke here and welcome to a very hectic looking set. We are going to do an experiment here. So what we've got is some protective goggles, protective gloves, 2 large measuring cups half filled with water. We've got a wooden spatula, some pH testing strips, pipettes somewhere, there we go, pipettes. Here we are, pipette. Wooden spatula, some bicarb or soda, there we go, baking powder, and we should have had a lemon, but we don't, we've got vinegar instead. That's exactly the same thing. Well, I say exactly the same thing. It does the same thing. Vinegar and lemons are the same thing, right? So we are going to test the pH, not the P or the P, the pH. So we're going to test the pH of things. So first let me put on the goggles and the gloves. This is going to be fun. I struggled with the gloves last time. Gloves. I'm doing it. It's going in. Look, little finger. Yay, there's one. Okay, second one. It's always fun to try and put on little tiny gloves that are meant for a child and you're a grown-up. There we go. There. Right. So, let's get on with this. Right, so first we are going to find what I did with the instruction booklet. There it is. Okay, right. So squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a large measuring cup. Okay? No. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to fill that with vinegar. There we go. Yay! Vinegar. Oh, that's smelly. Now, that's going to make it nice and acidy. Next up, mix in a small amount of this baking powder in the other one. Okay, so, come on. Now we're going to give that a stir. La 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 la. There we go. So that's been given a stir. Right, so ow, that hurt. Right, so we are now going to add the pH strip to each. And it's orange. Nope. Look at that. It's orange. So orange means it's about there. pH 6, pH 5 maybe. So it's an acid. Vinegar is an acid. Who knew? Next up, I've got vinegar all over the other pH strips. That's lovely. Now this one in here has gone a funny focus. shade of green. It's for greeny blue, so it's sort of like pH 9. So it's more of an alkali. It's gone sort of a greeny blue. So yay for alkalis. We can also try adding more sodium hydrogen carbonate to the water. If we wanted to. But we're not going to do that. So basically, the strip changes colour due to the pH paper being put into an acidic solution for the vinegar. The strip changes colour as soon as you add the sodium hydrogen carbonate, as it's an alkaline solution. So that will neutralise the pH level. You can continue to add sodium hydrogen carbonate. There will be a point where the pH indicator will turn into purple. So it shows just how strong of an alkali it would be. So red is acid, green is neutral, alkali is purple. There we go. So I certainly did enjoy learning about pH or P with you guys. Stephön, I know it smells of fish and chips, but stay away from the vinegar. Yes, that's right. Now then, because that's shill part of the video, if you did like it, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and we shall see you next time. Good day and boop!